Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new to this channel and you've not clicked on that subscribe button, make sure you do that to stay updated. Subscribe to the channel, follow the telegram link, follow the telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting on EURJPY. If you have to zoom it out on our forward time frame, you can see that we are trending to the upside. The overall movement on EURJPY literally on an uptrend move. We are very strong to the upside. Now we've gotten a multiple rejection here when markets eventually dropped. You can see markets eventually pushed up, gave us a pullback here, then it eventually pushed up. You can see the markets eventually came back again, forming an equal higher low, right? Market pushed up, came again to reject this level, failing to break below this level. You can see it, right? Then we had a push up, a pullback, a new high. Here is a pullback. This is the new high. So once the high is over, expect a pullback. So our next anticipation on EURJPY is a pullback. So be expecting a pullback on EURJPY. So this is the move higher high, which has taken out this previous high here. So our next movement on EURJPY is a pullback. Once you get the pullback, then you can now open for the new movement. But first, let's expect the pullback on EURJPY. So follow the telegram channel to stay updated.